Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have come with a party vlog. I have not shared any vlog from very long time, so I thought of sharing this today with all of you. It was a kebab party with friends and family over the weekend. Hope you all like it. If you have not yet subscribed, do subscribe by clicking the red subscribe button and also ring the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the menu for today. Now let's get started. As it was a party day, it was a very busy day. I will show you how I planned my party. First, I am preparing this white sauce. This white sauce I prepared with 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, olive oil, salt, pepper, followed by yogurt. I am just adding enough yogurt. To that I will be adding just a hint of lemon juice. Then next what I am adding is heavy whipping cream and little bit of mint leaves. These are the ingredients for white sauce. Nicely blend it in the blender for 5 minutes, first on low and then on high. You will get this consistency of white sauce. It is very delicious. You can prepare it previous day itself. That is what I did. The same way, in that same jar I will be preparing the red sauce. For that red sauce I am taking few cloves of garlic and little bit of ketchup, red chili sauce. If you don't have red chili sauce or red chili paste, you can choose anything whichever you have. Now what I am adding is mayonnaise. Just 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, little bit of olive oil. Then I am adding is little vinegar. There I added lemon, here vinegar. There I added mint, here I am adding coriander. Now little bit of salt, pepper and chili flakes and little bit of chili powder also. Blend it the same way like white sauce and our hot red chili sauce is ready. These both the sauces will stay for 1 week long at least in the fridge, nice and fresh. Now I have taken is kala Zeera rice or Zeera Sambar rice, 1 glass. To that I am adding 1.5 glass of water, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of Shahi Zeera and 1 teaspoon of dry mint. You can choose fresh mint also. 1 teaspoon of ghee. Keep it aside just on before the guests are arriving. Now I have taken also basmati rice. For that I am adding onions, ginger garlic paste, little bit of tomato, just giving a different flavor, that is biryani flavor. That is any brand of biryani flavor, masala you take and you just add it. It will give you different flavors. I will be making 3 different flavor of rice. This side I am taking biryani flavor. Now in a small bowl I'll take little bit of rice. To that I will be adding yellow food color and this is saffron essence, that is zafrani essence. Mix it well and you will get saffron rice. I am just giving a little bit of ghee and fried onions and our rice is ready. 3 types of rice. Now I have just come and spread over and sit with all the kebabs. This is Bihari kebabs. These all kebab recipe in detail I will give you in my following videos, which will be for Ramzan prep also. This is Bihari kebab and I am just preparing the skewers for baking all of these kebabs. This is fish. For this I will not be sharing the recipe in the next video. That is just I have taken boneless fish, ginger garlic paste, chili paste, turmeric paste and salt to taste. That's it. Little bit of cornstarch for giving a nice texture on top. This is the recipe for this fish tikka I did. That's all. Each and everything I have just prepared 3 skewers. And this is malai kebab. Even this recipe will be coming in couple of days. Keep watching. In detail all the recipe will be posted. Now you can see I am ready with all the skewers for baking. I will be baking it at 350 Fahrenheit for only 25 minutes. 20 minutes I will be baking and 5 minutes I will be doing it in broil mode. These are some fruits and veggies like pineapple, peppers, mushroom, onions, like that I have just taken with pepper, chili, salt. That's it. Little bit of sugar. Now all the skewers are ready to go inside the oven. The same way I am just frying some kebabs also. This is chicken shami kebab, and next following I will be even sharing the recipe for all of these kebabs. This is sheikh kebab, mutton sheikh kebab, chicken sheikh kebab. All these recipes are coming in my next video. Keep watching. Now I am just preparing a fresh mango salad, mango, tomato and some cucumbers and lettuce, salt, olive oil and pepper to taste. Also little bit of sugar. Just mix everything. Our nice fresh mango salad is ready. Now our guest has arrived. Our party has just started. Let's enjoy. Now let's start with the welcome drink. Just cola with some soda by the side of pizza bites. This party I thought of planning it little bit differently. So than usual, it is little bit different, not having biryani or korma or naan or paratha. But it was very easy for me as I prepared all the kebabs and tikkas the previous day itself. I made all the marination. So I had to do only this rice, salad and chana masala I made along with this. Needed some gravy to make a little balance with all the non-vegetarian kebabs. We needed some vegetarian. That is why I chose chana masala as a curry. Now let's prepare our platter. I have just taken a large tray in which I spread the lettuce. First I have taken reshmi kebab or the malai kebab. Next I have come with the Bihari kebab. These are chicken shami kebabs. And now next is the peri peri chicken. This marination I didn't show. I will be sharing in my next video. This is our fish tikka. Fish tikka is followed by some of our veggies. These all are nice grilled veggies. Though there were so many kebab varieties, still I was not tired of making all these because my preparation was well done previous day itself. This was mutton dry roast, and now I am keeping sheikh kebabs. This is mutton sheikh and chicken sheikh. Thus our platter of all the kebabs is ready. For all the kebab and tikka recipe, keep watching. My following videos will be detailed recipe for all these kebabs and tikkas as Ramzan prep. For any platter of this kind, do not skip making this red sauce and white sauce. It's a very good complement to all these kebabs, and also over the rice it will be very, very tasty. You sure give it a try and leave me a comment if you have tried it. Do let me know if you have any new ideas of this kind to share with all my YouTube friends. And also if you want to see any suhoor and iftar ideas, do leave a comment. Sure, I will also share that. As Ramadan is fast approaching, we need to plan for that too. These are lovely red tomato roses. My mother-in-law made it. Thanks to her. If you find difficulty in making so many kebab at a time, same time, go with 1 or 2 kebabs and prepare a party of this kind. You will feel really something different. Only chicken or only mutton, like that you can make any differences. Not necessary that you should make all these kebabs together. As such, I was able to make, and I took some 2 to 3 days preparing all these kebabs and put together in one single plate. It was really fun to have something different like this. If you are a low carb recipe following person, this type of parties will be apt for it. Lot of salads, lot of kebabs, less of rice and less of naan or roti will make a low carb recipe, perfect low carb party. Just even kids were enjoying so nicely that these kebabs were so juicy, delicious. Some were spicy, some were mild, and a little sweet touch of pineapple was also a little different. And just making one single rice, instead of that I have just given 3 different flavors to the rice. That Kala Zeera rice, that is Zeera Sambar rice, is really, it is flavorful. Rice itself is flavorful, and the rest of the 2 you had seen. I gave nice saffron flavor and biryani flavor. Just little bit of changes to the flavors will give big difference on your table. Sure, give it a try. Now our party has come to an end. No party is end without a delicious dessert. This is our pineapple golden delight. Soon I will be sharing the recipe for this also in detail. Keep watching. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.